Hello children, now second class mathematics. Take out your textbook children. Take out all of you. Now page number 23, open it children, page number 23. Page number 23, open it children. So now which chapter? Second chapter. What is our chapter name? Are you remember children? What is our chapter name? What is our chapter name? Second chapter. Our chapter name is numbers from 10 to 99. Numbers from 10 to 99. So what is the number spelling children? Numbers. Numbers FROM from 10 to 99. Numbers from 10 to 99. See here all of you. Listen. Write 5 numbers with 2 digits using 4, 5, 7. Write them as shown in the example. So WRIT, write 5 NUMBERS numbers. So all of you take out your books children. Take pencil also. 5 numbers with WIT. Here mistake only came children. WTIH only will came. So that is wrong. Write 5 numbers with 2 digits. Here some spelling mistake only came. WTIH only came. WITH with. Write 5 numbers with 2 digits using, what is this number children? 4, 5, 7. Write them as shown in the example. See here. What is this children? NUMBER number. Here one number given example. Tens. TENS tens. ONES ones. Tens plus ones. Tens plus ones. So here what is this number children? 57. So what is this number? 57 only this number? Yes. So 57 means 50 plus 7. 50 plus 7. 57. Why 5, 7? They are using these 2 numbers only. So use and say another numbers. 2 digits numbers only. So I am showing that cards to only children. Wait few seconds. See children. Now 4, 5, 7. These 3 numbers use and make 2 digit numbers only. So 4, 5, 7. So make 2 digit only. 2 digit number. So 2 cards will take means 2 digit number will came. So already this example is given. What is this number children? 5 in tens place, 7 in ones place. 57. So how many tens having? 5 tens means 50. 5 tens means 50 plus 7. 57. So same like that only. So you give another examples. So write how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers you write. You make it, okay? See here 57. So in these 2 cards use and I am making another number. Only 2 digit numbers only children. What is this number children now? 5 in ones place. 7 in tens place. So what is this number? 75. This number is 75. So here write 75. 75. So 75 means 7 tens. How many tens having? 7 tens means 70 plus how many ones having? 5 ones. 70 plus 5. Like that only. Okay. Next one. So again. So this like making already 57 will be completed. So another card also is there. 70. Now which number? 4 in 1, 7 in tens. 7 tens means 74. 74. 74. So the number is 74. 70 plus 4. Are you understand? Tens plus ones. 70 plus 4. So next one. So in these two cards too, another number. So this side keeping means 74. Now 4 in tens, 5 in ones, 7 in ones. So what is this number now? 7 in ones place, 4 in tens place. So what is this number? 47. So the number is 47. 47. 4 tens means 40 plus 7 plus 7 in ones place. So next one. 47. 74 will be completed again. So now see here in these two numbers too. 4, 5. So 45. So what is this number, children? 45. 45. So 4 in tens place, 40 plus 5 in ones place. 45. Next one in these two numbers too only. Now 54. So now which number? 54. 5 in tens place, 4 in ones place. 54. 5 tens means 50 plus 4. So are you understand, children? You are also make it, children. You are also write down the cards to numbers, right, and make it this like only. You play the game also, children. Cards too. Okay, see here. 45, 54. Okay, like that. So we are 3 numbers we are using 4, 5, 7. So how many numbers are making? 6 numbers. 6 2-digit numbers only we are making. Okay, now next bit. 12th bit. Next bit, 12th one. See here. L-O-K, look. 88, T-H-I-D-A, N-U-M-B-E-R-S numbers. Look at the numbers. D-R-A-W, draw. Circle. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. T-H-O-S-E, those. W-H-I-C-H, which. A-R-E-R. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. 20 and 30. Look at the numbers. Draw the circle. Around those which are between 20 and 30. So 20 and 30 between number. See here 64, 24, 4 in ones place, 16 tens place. So what is this number, children? 64. Here 24. So why here 24 to circling? So 20 and 30 between numbers having means that numbers to keep circle. So that means 20 and 30 between numbers. In tens place to which number having in that numbers 2? 2 only. So check it once. So before only we are writing that numbers only. 20 and 30 between numbers what having? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So these numbers are 20 and 30 between numbers. So in all numbers 2 are you observing, children? 2 in tens place. Are you observing? 2 in tens place. So check it here. See here 17, look at the numbers, draw the around which are between 20 and 30. 20 and 30 between numbers only, not 20, children. Between numbers only, here asking between numbers. So 17, 1 in tens place, 7 in ones place. So the number is 17. 20 this one, so no need 20. Why you are saying 20 and 30 between numbers only? 1 in ones, 3 in tens, so 31 also no need. So here 6 in ones, 2 in tens, 2 tens only, yes. This number is what? 26, so circle it. Very good. So next one, 7 in ones, 3 in tens. No. This one 2 in ones, 2 in tens. 22. Circle it. 22. 2 in ones, 2 in tens. 22 is also 20 and 30 between number only. So next one 58. 8 in ones, 5 in tens. So not having in this between number, not. This number is 3 in ones, 9 in tens, 93. This number also not there. So here 76. So next one 21. 21 in ones, 2 in tens. 21 is the between number. Next one 5 tens, 50 only. So not. 64. 7 in ones, 2 in tens, 27. So this number only between number. So next one 9 in ones, 1 in tens, 19. So not there. 30. 9 in ones, 2 in tens, 29 is 20 and 30 between number. This one 83, 18. So no need. So are you understand, children? So what numbers here given between numbers? 24, 26, 22, 21, 27, 29. Okay, are you observing, children? So here 2-digit numbers and writing the tens place and ones place. Here 20 and 30 between numbers only. So next bit. See all of you. Draw the circle around the numbers where you see 4 in ones place. So are you this topic I will explain in next class too. So here understand, children, ones place and tens place. Are you understand? Suppose here 7 in ones place. So how many tens? 5 tens means 50, like that only. Okay, are you understand, children? So are you observe this? Okay, children. Next topic in next class time.